students, how are you? Today we are going to study 9th chapter, part 1, poem Don't Tell. This is an emotional poem about a young boy. The name of the poem is Don't Tell. This poem is written by Irene Yates. Irene Yates is a published author and an editor of children's books. In this poem, the boy who listens to everyone, but he never complains. Let's see what he talks about. There are lots of things they won't let me do. I'm not big enough yet, they say. So I patiently wait till I'm all grown up, and I'll show them all one day. I could show them now if they gave me the chance. There are things I could do if I tried. But nobody knows, nobody knows that I am really a giant inside. Now, let's see the meaning of the first stanza. There are lots of things they won't let me do. Here, they means parents. I am not big enough yet, they say. So I patiently wait till I am all grown up, and I will show them all one day. In the first stanza, the boy wants to do lots of things, but his parents are not allowed to do anything. They say that he is still young, but he wishes to tell them that he is capable of doing lots of things, and he wants to show them his capacity once he is grown up. Then the child says that's why I am patiently waiting for the day, waiting for the chance. Now, let's see the meaning of the second stanza. I could show them now if they gave me the chance. There are things I could do if I tried. But nobody knows, nobody knows that I am really a giant inside. Now, the child tells that if my parents give me a chance and allow me to do those things, those works, I can also do very well. I can also try. He also says that nobody knows about his talent and strength. He feels really he is a giant, not a small one. But now he is hiding this secret and also waiting for a chance to perform very well. Now, let us see the new words from this poem. The first word is enough. That means sufficient. In Hindi में बस है. The second word is chance. That means a possibility of something happening. हिंदी में मौका. The next word is giant. That means an extremely tall or large person. हिंदी में बड़ा व्यक्ति. The next word is patient. That means forbearing or uncomplaining. हिंदी में स्वीकार करने में सक्षम. Thank you. Have a nice day.